All right, hi guys. Yeah, it's been a while since I recorded my last video, so just want to update you guys on the latest projects that I've been working on uh, out here in my backyard. Um, but before that, I hope this video finds you in really, really good health. But anyways, let me go ahead and walk you through what I've been working on since my last video. Alright, let's go ahead and start from here. So this morning I was able to repair the sidewalk that I remember. The sidewalk was I cut so I can put in the electricity. Yeah, so I bury a cable down here. Yeah, I went and bought a concrete, came in and put it down. I mixed my concrete inside the wheelbarrow and then poured. All I used was a 2x4. Yeah, and so that's that. And I've used up some more wood as rail for my study house here. I don't know, I don't think you guys seen me working this. So we're gonna, because these are used, we're gonna scrape them down, wash them, and then we're gonna paint them. So we're gonna paint them white, and my yobo wants to paint this one brown, kind of brown. Yeah, so yeah, this is what I've done with this study house on the outside. There it is. Okay, so that's the study house. Yeah, we've done a lot on it since my last video. Put up all the panels. Yep. This is a storage that I so yep, temporarily use it for. Yeah, and we also put up the panels on the back side here. We use up all the tools. Let's see that? I'll show you. See? Yeah, I like it. Right? See? And also that side too. And we also put up the panel on the back side here. Yeah, so the panels. We also put up the gutter. See, the gutter is up there, and we use up most of those wood. So we have a little bit more 2x2s from that old deck still left over, but we use up majority of them. So yep, and yeah, so what we're gonna do next is we're going to dig up here. So we're gonna lay some pipes and probably run it over here and then up underneath the storage. So we need a hose or a pipe for water to come out on this side. So I'm gonna make it come out around here, so there's water on this side. When we need water, we can grab water here. And yeah, we already laid a pipe that went underground here and all the way to this side, because we're gonna put a sink or something up. And so once we're done with that, then we'll level this yard out and then put down really, really nice grass. We're gonna build a sidewalk from here to here. Yeah, so basically we did a lot. Oh, by the way, my $5 miter saw, yeah, still here. Still working. Yep. Finished this house and the deck using the miter saw that I bought in 2004, 2005 when I was in Oregon. Yeah, $5 garage sale. Still working. All right. Thank you again. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We got a lot more projects to be done around this house.